Good morning! It's 6:39 a.m. in Japan. Ito na ang aking breakfast. 3 spoons of rice lang yan. Tapos, I have salmon, pumpkin, and burger, a small burger. Meat for my energy. 3 spoons of rice lang yan, guys. Binabawasan ko na mag-rice. Hindi na ako kumakain ng rice sa gabi. At hindi na rin ako nagko-coffee kasi matamis yung 3-in-1. Less carbs tayo. Kaya 3 spoons of rice lang talaga. Malagyan lang ng yung tiyan. And tea, green tea, kailangan natin kasi magbawas ng carbs. Enjoy your meal!